Technology and digital learning are striving to provide buildings with flexible solutions using our current available resources. The newer printing solution, called Printer Logic, will begin rolling out in February and be fully operable in all buildings by the end of March. The system will provide teachers and staff a more user-friendly method for connecting to printers from Windows computers, including their onboard interactive panel, without the need for the teacher to wait for technology to have to set it up for them. Chromebook printing will be limited to specific printers designated by the building administrators with guidance from tech services. As always, buildings will need to continue to be judicious in when they print from student devices, such as Chromebooks, and should be limited for only special cases. For example, students that do not have access to technology at home and they need to print their assignment so they can continue working on it, that would be a specific instance of when it would be appropriate for students to print from their student device. Also, in issues where students have lost the use of access due to behavior issues, then they can print out their assignment that they've worked on and continue it on paper pencil until they're able to handle use of that device again. So again, technology and digital learning are striving to find flexible solutions to help you with powerful instruction in the classroom. Thanks for your partnership in this process.
Good afternoon, Monroe School District. Thank you for joining me today for today's tutorial on how to use Print Logic to print from a Chromebook. To begin, you will want to have the document you wish to print loaded for you on your Chromebook. Then you'll want to print this document by either pressing the shortcut key Control-P or selecting File and selecting the option to print. Once you've done this, you'll be presented with the Print Options menu through Chrome. Here you want to make sure the printer you're printing to is the Print Logic printer. To select that printer, you can press the Change button under Destination and select the Print Logic printer. From here, you can press the Print button and it will now send your job over to the print queue at Print Logic. Now we want to access the release print queue and release our job to the printer on our site. So we'll go down and we'll select our Apps option in the lower left-hand corner of the menu, and we'll expand it if we don't see the icon in our initial 4 icons. The icon we're looking for is the Print Logic icon. Once you've selected it, it will launch your Print Logic print queue. From here you'll see the print job that we just sent. I've got 2 in here waiting for me. I'll select the job that I want to print, and I will select the release option. From here, I will select Browse, and I will browse through the folder of the building that I'm in. I'll select the printer that I want, and I'll hit Select. At this point, the print job has now been released to that printer. You may have noticed that I had some other options. After you print for the first time, your print release queue will recall what printers you had available. So if I select the Print Logic document here, you can see that I already have released to Canon IR1023, which is the printer that I just printed to. I can select that and it will automatically print to that printer. That is how you print using a Chromebook on Print Logic. If you have any questions, please contact the help desk at 2680 and have a wonderful day.